Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this series, today we are going to discuss about the micro. Okay, so micro basically it is the one type of preprocessor directory where compile time it will take the value of and it will execute. Okay, so that is the micro. So we will see how many types of micro. Okay, macro. Okay, so macro is the defined preprocessor directory. Okay, so while compile time it will take the value and it will execute, so that is the preprocessor. Okay, so there are like some micro is there, set the weight, set weight, clear weight, toggle weight, toggle weight, and one more is that gate weight. Okay, so this is the type of micro we can set it where we are going to do set the weight, clear the weight, toggle the weight, and get the weight. Okay, before that, I will explain like how it will work. Right, truth table. So if 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 0 1 0 means 1, 1 1 means 1. Okay, so before that, we have to see AND operation. Okay, XOR and OR operation. Okay, so this three format we have to know. So if we are doing AND operation, then 0 0 means 0. Okay, if 0 1 means it will come 0, and 1 0 means again 0. If 1 1 means 1. This is the AND operation. Okay, now coming to the XOR, 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 means 0. Where is it coming XOR? Coming to the OR means 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 means 1. So this is the AND operation, XOR operation, and OR operation. So basic things we have to know. Okay, then we will go into the set the weight, clear the weight, and toggle the weight. Okay. Okay, now first we will do set the bit. Okay, set the bit. So we have to keep some mind, like syntax we have to keep in the mind. Okay, so first we will take set bit. Okay, so in macro, like what is the syntax? Okay, so set we have to write define set bit. Okay, we will give number and position, comma position. Okay, now so number or 1 shifting position. Okay, it means like first operation giving which type, how many which position we are given, like 2 positions, 3 position, that we have to mention. And in set operation we are doing OR operation. Okay, so we know, right, what OR operation if we will do means what will the output will come. Okay, so in set operation we will do OR operation. Okay, OR operation we will do. So this is the syntax of set bit. You have to remember this and keep in mind. Okay, so if you want to execute some program related it, so let's see. Okay, so we will say both here. Okay, so if you want to give y user, so you have to give number and position. Okay, so number and position we will give by user. Okay, so okay, then first print. Okay, enter any number and enter any position. Okay, any position, close. Then this is given, for that we have to scan write number at position. So for scanf we can write scanf percentage d number percentage d percentage t plus and number and position. So when we want to take that any number of position, we have to add and percentage. Okay, now close the bracket. Now print here, print what to do, percentage. This one what we are doing, set bit, right? So set bit we will take. Okay, now set bit number and position. Okay, so if you will do and return 0 we can write, otherwise no need this one also. Okay, so if you will use key, then give any number. So if you will give some number like 10 is the number, okay, and 2 is the position. Okay, so I will do like how it will work, what is the output will come. Okay, so here see, so number equal to what, 10. So we have to write in binary form. Okay, so for that what, how much binary it will come, we know, right, these things. You take 1 2 4 8 16 32 64, you know, blah blah blah, blah 128. So this is the position, this is the number vector position. We will say 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, also. So now we have to, how much number is there, 10. So first we have to do in the binary form, 10 of the binary form. What will become 1 8 and 2 10. Okay, rest of 0. Okay, so this is the binary of 10. Okay, now take position. Okay, what is the position, 2. So you can see here position 0 1 2. So this is the position. Okay, so where is position, we will add 1, and after that we have to do OR operation. Okay, we are, because we are doing set operation, in that we can do OR operation. Okay, so now do, so rest you can write 0 also, then 0 1 1 and 1. Okay, 0 0 means 0, right, 0 0 means 0, 1 0 means 0 1 means 1. Okay, so 0 1 1 0. So now this is the output came. So if we will do in decimal, how much come, it will come 8 4 12 12 or 2 14. So 14 is the output answer. Okay, same like same things we can do, clear the bit, toggle the bit. Okay, so in clear the bit I can explain what is the syntax of that, all for that. Okay, but operation same things. If and means and, you have to do. Okay, clear means clear the bit, toggle the bit, hit the bit. Okay, now clear the bit. Okay, clear bit, see syntax. Okay, syntax. Okay, so same h define. Okay, and what is that, clear bit. Okay, that number and position, then number. Here we have to see, like first we have to do AND operation, then one's components. Okay, then we have to do one setting position. Okay, so this is the syntax of clear bit. Similar, toggle. Okay, h define. We will see, I will do all in practical, I will show you in PC. Okay, like how it will work. Okay, so here I will show that syntax, and I explain one thing, set bit. It will work similar as the set bit for all, toggle, clear and get. So h define toggle with number position, then number. In toggle we are doing XOR operation. Okay, this XOR operation. Okay, now one setting position. Okay, next is at get bit. Okay, So in this number position, that number, and in get we are doing only AND operation. Okay, and one simple position. Okay, so this is syntax for all. Okay, so now we will do here. Okay, and we will see. So first we will do set bit. Okay, set bit give number position. Okay, so number and set bit we are doing OR operation. Okay, give one shifting position. Okay, so this is we will do all. Okay, now okay, set the bit. Okay, clear bit. Okay, again here we will do in clear the bit we have to do and one's component. Okay, now toggle bit. In toggle we are doing XOR operation. Now get the bit. In this we are doing AND operation. Okay, so this is what all syntax: set the bit, clear the bit, toggle the bit, and get the bit. Now let's see print. Okay, here I'm directly giving number and position. You can give by user also. You can user by define. Okay, so let's see. Define set the bit. Instead of number and position, you can give value. Okay, number I given as 10 and position I am given as a 2. Okay, it should become 14. We will skip all and we will let's see. Okay, set the bit. Next, clear bit, toggle bit. Now get the bit. Okay, so let's run. I hope it will execute all things. Okay, everything is fine now. Okay, yeah, so we are getting output. It's not going. Yeah, 14 as a set operation clear, 10 and toggle again 14, again get means 0. So these are the output of set the bit, clear the bit, and toggle the bit. Okay, I hope now you got it right. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. Okay, if you like, then please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching.